Just had a pedicure or something. And she's getting her toes all dirty.
Let's go!
Well, good morning. It's day 4. We're putting the engine in today. So we spent all of yesterday getting the chassis prepped, getting rid of all of the old stuff that we didn't need, and getting ready to just set the engine and tranny in today. We're putting the engine in. Here's our neighbors for the week. I had to get a shot of this as I was walking by. Hello, puppies.
Oh my god. Hi! You smiling?
Is there oil all over my face?
Oh my god, it is all over your face.
She's got a big scratch on her forehead.
It's not all over my face. It's fine. Well, that's all you have to do for that. Grime, I should be at least wire brushing it all. I feel like this is way easier doing it down here. Like standing up.
For sure. Than crawling under it like I've been for the past 4 days.
Yeah, that's what I was referring to.
This is the new 6.5 liter turbo diesel going in.
I think that's why they break, is because this thing, these are not the right pliers for it.
Manny has to custom make this oil pan for the drivetrain to go through. You may ask why I'm cutting off the bottom of this, and the answer is I have no clue. All I can tell you is it's because that's what Manny told me to do. And you listen to Manny. Just wiggle it, he says. Yeah, just like that. Nice work.
Just wiggle it.
Turn and smile for the camera.
Alright, let's go over there. Just wiggle it. You did just wiggle it.
This radiator just caused Caitlin's motor to fail, and our radiator looks no better. Hi, puppy. The Manny rally going to Sizzler for dinner. We're having to reroute the whole entire fuel line. I had cut the fuel line to put it on the driver's side of the engine. The new engine needs the fuel line on the passenger side. So we're having to basically just make a whole new fuel line. Alright, this is like some Indiana Jones stuff right here. Look at all these spiders.
guys really afraid of spiders?
Man, he's not afraid of anything. I just inhaled a spider web. I modified the fuel line for the Phytech, and now we have to remodify it for the diesel. Why is oil coming out of the fuel line, Manny?
Yes, that's my question to you. Why is oil coming out of the fuel line? But how did oil get in here? It was dripping quite a bit.
So after about 90 minutes on a brake line, fuel line, this is what we got. Old becomes new again.
The way it's going to be heavy. Ready?
All right.
We took it out?
Yeah.
Alright, so watch the walls and the door, okay, as I go in?
Yeah.
You know what? Just hook it to the chain. No, it's just so that this thing. So, put it in here. But put. I don't know. Let me get this out of the way. I'll just roll that over. You may need to raise it up so we can go over that. That's fine, it's fine. You got plenty of room. Alright.
Yeah.
Yeah, but you got a crate down there.
Oh, she's got it.
Huh?
She's got it. Yes, please.
So, I need you guys to stop the filming and both of you concentrate on getting this thing to the door. The film is secondary. I don't care about the film. You understand that part? Because we need all three of us.
All right. Well.
Okay, now you gotta come on this side. Work on your side. Now you're hitting. Am I jammed in here? Okay, well, he is. He is. He's jammed right here. Get back.
Right, come on.
Is it okay?
Yeah.
All right. So watch the engine now because I'm going to lower this. Okay. I can't go up anymore. Let me know when you're ready.
Go. Hang on. Let me get under there.
lot of room in the front.
I can't see anything in the front.
Just keep an eye on here.
Okay.
The wire harness looks okay. I don't know. I can't see. I'll go with on there now. I'll go with on there now. Can you hold it right there?
Yep. Passenger side again.
Yeah. You let it go. You swing it to the passenger side, please. More. There you go. Pull the back towards the passenger side. Hold it there.
Yep.
Sure.
Yep.
All right. Raise it up. All right. Pull it back towards the passenger side. Hold on.
Did it go back down?
No, I said hold on. I didn't say do anything. I said hold on. All right, so you need to lower the engine down a little bit. All right, lower the transmission down now. Oh my God!
What's going on?
No, I smashed my fingers, okay? That's what's going on. Oh, shit, that hurt. Okay, why is this, can you move the rear towards the passenger side, please? There you go, keep it there. Can you move it towards the passenger side? I'm not getting anywhere here. So the engine needs to be raised. I need the front to tilt down a little bit so I can have pressure on here in order to, so bring that jack in. There's an alignment pin in there. Is it really close? Is it far away? What? Okay, so I'm missing something there too. Okay, push it back. Hold this back. No, that back. I mean back means towards the front. Okay.
Back means front. I remember that.
Because I'm trying to push back the final drive. You got it?
Yep. I remember next time back means front.
And then next time, probably front means front. Shut up. Okay, now push this towards.
Do you want it back or front?
I want it that way. I can hold this, but I need a nice 16
Okay.
open end to.
Socket and open end?
No, just an open end, just so we can tighten that bolt. But it's in, man. Pretty cool, huh?
Yep.
Yeah. And you just lost my finger, but it's okay. You don't care about my finger. You don't care about my well-being. You let it go.
I got antsy. I thought you were going to jam it into my finger.
I don't want to do anything to jeopardize your well-being.
But here's the engine. And we've got some problems. Right now we're in the engine compartment sorting out the wiring harness.
Yeah, but it's not starting. I can't get it to start.
Stay tuned.